see 500 people, fans, or people who just clicked on this randomly. So, I just got back from Paul's funeral. If you didn't know, he passed away in a bus accident. It's very sad, but I'm trying to sound happy for the video. Anyway, this is my backyard, and I'm just preparing for Hurricane Florence. We don't know if it'll hit my area. I live near the East Coast, and I'm just putting stuff away to prepare just in case. It might flood about 2 feet here, but you see there's stuff out here, so I need to clean that up in case the water does come. Now, in my garage, in my house, it's on a slight slant, so we put our bikes up by my fingertips so that they probably won't get ruined. Now, if water does get into my garage, then things won't float away, probably. Unless the water forces my garage door open or something like that. Sorry, the camera keeps turning sideways. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put that in my garage. I'm in my backyard. My front yard is on the other side. I'm gonna put that in my shed, and everything else should be fine. I already brought in my dog's outdoor bowl. It is raining a little bit right now. It's not that bad yet. It's supposed to hit Tuesday, tomorrow for me, or Wednesday, or never. Might hit Sunday. That's a random idea that I randomly heard. I've been checking out news websites, looking at pictures and stuff. A lot of graphs that I've seen show that it's only going south, but we may be unlucky, and during Hurricane Sandy, there's this major flood before Hurricane Sandy a few years ago, and it got up to 20 feet high, and a lot of people died because they weren't prepared for it. This toy shopping cart, I've had it for many, many years. Anyway, so I'm just gonna clean some stuff up. The big stuff over there, like the chalkboard easel, I think that will be fine if anything happens. Oh, I feel more and more drops. Alright, I better get this stuff inside. Alright, see you in a bit. Oh wow, it's really raining now. We should probably bring our cars in. In just 1 minute, it started really raining. I really have to get inside with this stuff, and my camera, and myself. Okay, so I just got inside. It really started pouring in a matter of minutes. So I'm on my bed now, and I'm just hoping for the best. I'm hoping that it doesn't hit at all. I'm gonna move a lot of my electronics, like my phone and my computer, if it does turn out that water will come. My house, my actual house, is a few feet off the ground. It's about a foot higher than the garage, and the garage is about 2 inches above street level. So the water's only supposed to be 2 or 3 feet, so it probably won't ruin a computer or a phone if it does get to that stuff. But yeah, just in case, I'll keep looking. And if the water starts to come this way, then I'll panic. Anyway, thanks for watching.